is Lulu TV. Subscribe.
It's a sunny day. Baby Lulu's on an ocean tour. The waves are splashing, the sky so blue. Adventure time for me and you. Lulu standing by the rail, waving hi to every sail, sipping water cool and sweet. Ocean breeze feels like a treat. Roar! He finished drinking, what did he do? Tossed the bottle, oh, a Lulu. Down it splashed, went glug, glug, glug into the sea with a little shrug. Monsters in the sea, can't you see? Trash makes them angry, don't throw debris. Keep the ocean clean and free, or monsters rise from under the sea. Deep below where fishies play, something strange began that day. A creature swallowed Lulu's trash. Its eyes turned red, a lightning flash. Tentacles twisted, bubbles roared. The monster rose and wildly soared. Who threw garbage? Not me! It splashed and roared beside the sea. Monsters in the sea, can't you see? They don't like bottles or plastic debris. Lulu screamed, help, save me please, and ran inside the ferry at sea. Siren sound, who's that crew? The Navy rescue ferry flew. They caught the monster, calm and fast, cleaned the ocean, safe at last.
Look at all this trash we collected.
Lulu learned and said, I see
today.
the ocean's not a bin for me. Now he sings for all to know. Keep it clean, don't let trash go. No more monsters in the sea, oh, just happy fish and coral reefs. Keep it clean for you and me. Let's protect our deep blue sea.
Hey there!
Monsters in the sea, oh,
Glad you're here.
keep it clean for you and me. Let's protect our deep blue sea.
Don't throw trash in the ocean, or sea monsters might come
Lulu
for you.
says, don't
Just
throw
kidding.
trash
Keep
in
our
the
oceans
ocean,
clean.
or the sea monsters might come for you.